guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky. In today's video I'm showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition now. It's actually gonna allow me to head to the It Dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the It Dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Park Edition It Dimension add-on, guys. Wow, that was a long name, but everything you guys are gonna need to head to this absolutely scary, soul-crushing dimension is inside this one beautiful, glorious chest right here, guys. So what you guys gonna need first? You're gonna need tin white wool. You're also gonna need fur red wool. And you're also gonna need a flint and steel to light it all up. You're also probably gonna have some enchanted golden apples just in case you accidentally end up lighting up something you was never supposed to light up. I'm also bringing along a puffer fish just for good luck, guys. And I'm also bringing along some cobwebs in case I have to put out the Spider-Man signal and have him come and beat the living heck out of the clown, guys. I'm also bringing along some eggs in case I have to have the clown's grandmother suck on them, guys, because she's the best egg sucker in the business. I'm also bringing along a chicken in case I need more eggs. I'm bringing along a cow in case I need some milk for when people start choking on the eggs. I'm bringing along a pig and a villager for reasons I just don't know, because I don't want to be alone in this dimension, I guess, guys. But let's go ahead and build this frame. When you build it, you want to put 2 red wool on each side. Then you want to put 2 white wool in the middle. Then you just want to go ahead and jump on up and put 3 white wool on this side. So 1, 2, 3. Then you just want to go ahead and put 1 red wool on top, and then you just want to look around. Make sure that you don't see the clown anywhere, guys. Oh my god. There for a minute I thought that was him, guys. I thought he was some 2 innocent bunnies, but there's no way. So let's go ahead and jump on down. Ooh. Ooh, right in the old berries. Oh my goodness, guys, that hurt. Let's go ahead. Let's make this other side. When you're making it, you just want to put 3 white wool and then 2 white wool in the middle, guys. And then you just want to put a red wool on this side. And boom, you are finished. Now you can just jump on down and take a look at this amazing, beautiful, glorious, gorgeous frame you have just built. And now that you built it, it's time to light this baby up. And wow, that looks amazing, guys. Now it's time to go ahead and head on into the mystery chest. And in the mystery chest, it looks like Santa Claus brought us some TNT so we can blow the heck out of that clown. It looks like he also brought us some redstone torches just so we can light the TNT. And he also brought us a bed and a book. So obviously the clown can put us to sleep, and if he has problems putting us to sleep, obviously he can read us a nice bedtime story to get us tucked in to bed, all cozy and everything, put us to sleep before he eats our brain, I guess. But let's go ahead and head on in to this dimension. Whee! Oh my god. I jumped straight through, guys. But I am bringing my eggs in hand in case I see his grandma, because you know what I gotta do, guys. Oh my god, that loaded up quick. And whoa, I was not expecting to see a full moon right when I came out of that dimension, guys. But oh my god, there's a bunch of zombies, and whoa, those pigs are moving quick. I don't even know why they're moving that quick, guys. But whoa, look at them, guys. Suck on these eggs. Suck on these eggs, grandmas. Oh my god. You want some of me, bro? Trying to hit me with a shovel. Boom, take that. Oh my god, there's a lot of them. I'm gonna run. I think I'm gonna run now, guys, because there is a lot of zombies chasing us. It must be all of the clown's hitchmen. Let's go ahead and head into one of these houses and see if we can find him. Oh my god, this place looks ran down, guys. And it's like super small. What's back in here? Oh my god, they have a car. They have a car. Oh my god, it must be his car. Boom, take that, take that. I don't care if you're wearing your safety helmet or not. I'm taking your car. I wish this could roll out of the garage, guys. But obviously, they broke it. They did something. I think they put coke in the gas tank or something, guys. But let's go ahead and try to look through these windows and see if we see anything. Oh my god, that's him. That's the clown. This is the clown's house. Boom, take that. I'm going to have to go in there and try to talk to him. Alright, hi, how are you, clown? Oh my god, who's hit me? Whoa, where'd that come from? He must be summoning people to try to hit me, guys. Listen, clown, You ain't gotta beat me up. You ain't gotta do anything to me. Oh my god, he hit me. Really, clown? I was just trying to talk to you. You ain't gotta beat me up because that one time your parents took you to the carnival and accidentally left you inside the little boy's bathroom. That is nobody's fault but your own fault, and it ain't my fault that the company that had... Oh my god, I killed him. I killed him before I even got finished, and oh my god, he was loaded. Whoa, he has a lot of gold. This is crazy, guys, how much gold he has. Look at these guys. Like, I wish I had that much gold. I never knew he had that much gold. Well, now you know, guys. And you know what else you know? I'm about to blow this stuff up. That's right, guys. But yeah, the whole reason he was upset and everything is because he went to a carnival. His parents accidentally left him in the bathroom. And when they left him in the porta potty, the company actually came and picked it up, and I guess his parents just never called to get him, and he was stuck inside that porta potty for like 30 years, and every time the carnival would come, they would let him out, and he would be the clown, and it was just crazy, guys. It was just crazy moments, but good times, good times. But wow, where was you guys when I was fighting him, Yeah, that's right, villager. You're gonna stay in there, and you're gonna get blowed up with everybody else. Boom! Oh my god, that was a massive explosion. And whoa, how'd TNT get over there? Oh my god, was he keeping TNT too? Whoa, that's crazy, guys. That is crazy. And oh my god, all these guys trying to come at me. All these guys. Oh my god, right, there's another one. Whoa, there's a lot of zombies out tonight, guys. A lot of zombies. And whoa, he has a boat. I never knew he had a boat, guys. This is crazy, guys. I don't think it's as crazy as them pigs that was able to move like super fast. Oh my god, back here they are. Oh my god, and he's hitting that one pig in the butt. You guys better cut that out. You guys better cut that out right now, guys. Let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And also let me know what you thought about them fast-moving pigs. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.